Hey everyone, today's session is all about how climate and culture shape our soils. Let's dive into the fascinating world of soil regions across the globe. First up, let's talk about Chernozem soils. These are some of the most fertile soils in the world. You can find them in places like the prairies of North America and the steppes of Russia and Ukraine. These soils are rich in organic matter thanks to the lush grasslands that once covered these regions. The climate here is generally temperate with moderate rainfall, which is perfect for growing crops like wheat and corn. Next, we have laterite soils. These are typically found in tropical regions, such as the Amazon basin and parts of Southeast Asia. The high temperatures and heavy rainfall in these areas lead to intense weathering of rocks, which creates these iron and aluminum-rich soils. However, they aren't as fertile as Chernozem soils due to leaching of nutrients. But local cultures have adapted by practicing shifting agriculture and adding organic matter to improve soil fertility. Now let's move to podzol soils. These soils are common in the boreal forests of Canada, Russia, and Scandinavia. The cold, wet climate and coniferous vegetation lead to the formation of these acidic soils with distinct layers. The top layer is rich in organic matter, while the underlying layers are often leached of nutrients. Local communities here often rely on forestry and grazing for their livelihoods, adapting to the soil's limitations. So, how does climate influence these soils? In deserts, for example, the arid climate leads to the formation of sandy or saline soils with very low organic matter. In contrast, forest soils are generally richer in organic matter and nutrients due to the decomposition of leaf litter. Grassland soils, like Chernozem, are somewhere in between, benefiting from the decayed roots of grasses. Topography also plays a critical role. In mountainous regions, soils can vary dramatically within short distances due to changes in elevation and slope. Valleys tend to have deeper, more fertile soils, while steep slopes may have thinner, rockier soils. Cultural practices are deeply linked to soil characteristics. In regions with fertile soils, intensive agriculture is common, leading to the development of advanced farming techniques and crop domestication. In less fertile areas, people might practice nomadic herding or shifting cultivation to adapt to the soil's limitations. For example, in the Andes, terracing is used to create flat areas on steep slopes, preventing soil erosion and making agriculture possible. Understanding the interplay between climate, geography, and culture is crucial for sustainable soil management. By respecting and adapting to our soils, we can ensure they continue to support life for generations to come. That's all for today's session on global soil distribution and characteristics. Stay tuned for more insights in our next session. Thanks for watching.